In many of the arithmetic problems, there are many operations present and they can be solved in particular order only. So in order to solve them, we need to follow order of operations. There are two methods to solve order of operations. Outside of United States, many countries actually follow BODMAS. In United States, we follow what is called as PEMDAS. BODMAS and PEMDAS, whichever method is used, both of them, if attempted correctly, give the correct answer. So let's look into this in a little bit more detail. BODMAS actually refers to brackets open. So brackets opened and then followed by division, and then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. Whereas in the case of PEMDAS, we replace this with parentheses that need to be opened first, and then followed by exponential operation, then followed by multiplication or division, whichever comes first. So if division comes first in the order of the statement, we'll do that first. If multiplication is first, then we do that in whichever order they appear. So multiplication and division always come first. They're preceded, and then are followed by addition and subtraction, again depending on what comes first. Let's take example and see whichever method actually is easier to follow, or if they give the same answers. Now in BODMAS, one thing to be noted is that it's always has to be followed in the same order as listed, which means the brackets have to be opened first, which is the same as parentheses, then followed by division, and then multiplication should be carried out, followed by addition and subtraction. All right, let's take example to see if both of them give the same answer. Okay, so let's move on with this one. So we have, this will be a BODMAS and this will be under PEMDAS, and we will use the same example side by side to compare the results. So let's take 200 minus 20 times 30 divided by 5 plus 40. Again, let's write the same thing. 200 minus 20 times 30 divided by 5 plus 40. Now if we go according to the let's see, if we go according to our BODMAS, then you will see that we need to first divide here. We do not have any brackets or parentheses here, so we don't need to do that. So we will go divide first. So divide first, and this gives us 6. So 200 minus 20 times 6 plus 40 now. And then in the next step, we will multiply. So this is strictly in the same order as listed above. So 200 minus 120 plus 40. And now we are going to add first. So we are going to have 240 added because these are two positive numbers. We could even do this, but then this will confuse. So let's just add the two positive numbers, 240. So that gives us 240. And then, so this was add. And then we will subtract in the next step, and we are left with 120. Now let's do the same thing in case of PEMDAS. Since here multiplication is the first one that appears before division, so we are going to go ahead and multiply this first. So this gives us 600, and this is 200 minus 600 divided by 5 plus 40. Now we are going to divide because this is the next operation, which will give us 120. So this is 200 minus 120 plus 40. And now the next operation, again in the same way as we followed in whichever order they appeared, we will subtract first. So this gives us 80 plus 40, which is 120. So you can see that both of the methods actually give the same answer, whether or not you choose BODMAS or PEMDAS. It's the only thing to remember is follow the correct order. Let me know what method you guys find the easiest. Is it the PEMDAS or the BODMAS? if you like this video, then please subscribe and like, so I can continue making more videos. Thank you and bye-bye.